My people, oh, wonders shall never end. This video you are watching now, this happened in Edo State. Before, we used to hear that they use juju to take men's private parts, you know. But this one is women's, or not even the private part, the womb. I don't know how the person noticed it or that they took her womb. Just watch the video. A man was just passing, touched the woman with bag or with whatever. The woman lost her womb and they caught the man and he confessed. So just watch this video. It's covered because the woman said they've naked the man. Please watch and share this video to create awareness. They say Nigeria is hard, but this one is under wahala. We won't even help ourselves. Nigeria is hard and we are making it to be harder. Please share this video and everybody should be very careful. Thank you.
Why not use the bag there to get back? Carry the bag there enter now, you no gree. Imagine. Carry the bag now, eat her back now. If you eat her back, solution will there. May eat her back. Wait. Only one people are back. Mama, wait.
Carry this bag. Don't knock the gate. Okay, look my stuff for there. Let me lock my stuff. Lock my stuff. Try the
All right, so I had to use graphics to I had to cover the man up because they don't poke the man to stupid. They even naked the guy in Bola Day ground. So what happened was he collected the girl's womb. The girl was just passing, he carry bag, just carry normal bag, hit the girl. Next thing, the girl womb disappear. Me, the one when I know, na say Bola they miss. Because that one don't happen different time for our area. That one I know about that. I don't know about this womb pass. I'm seeing this one for the first time. They don't start to collect girls' womb now. This happened in Benin, Edo State. You understand? So I beg, if people are going now, some people they collect their Bola, they know they even know. You understand? How would you know that they don't collect your Bola? For the Bola people, you know, you go touch your egg, you know, see your egg again. You go feel them, but some people go just ignore them. You know, ignore them. You go, if they pass you, hold your egg. And if they pass crowd, hold your egg, just they play with your egg. They play with your egg. Now, this womb bone, I'm not a woman, so I don't know. I never do the investigation. But whatever way she felt it, I believe you people can feel it too. You understand? Desperate times down here. A lot of people are going through a lot in Nigeria. People, they suffer. Everybody's looking for different means. But I will not call this one a means. You understand? I'm not going to call this a means because this is not a means. This is so not a means. If all of us, they do ourselves like that for Nigeria, you for not even get Bola, if for not even be human being. If for not be human being, what kind of thing is this? You won't just deprive. Now, this one will come marry now. You go reach husband house now, you know if he born. They will do different hospital, husband go depressed, wife go depressed, the man go carry another woman come out. People go feel say, okay, this one like body woman, oh, this one, different talk from different corner. Not knowing say now one greedy guy from one side calling womb. Anyways, the purpose of this video is to create an awareness. It's as simple as ABCD. If anybody carry anything touch you for marketplace or for public, hold the person. So what happened is that as that guy did like that and they tell me return the womb, you know if he return the womb, police can't carry the guy. You understand? I don't know what's gonna happen later, but they sent the video to me yesterday. So make I just quickly talk about them. You understand? So that awareness go there for people, especially women. Now men know we know before we don't know about women. So please, women, be careful so that you don't go and learn. I don't go and learn the hard way. If you're in a public place, observe your body. I beg, so that you don't learn the hard way. Don't play.